Blue Vivo 5 Mini, let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as blue logo pops up, and this is the Android recovery. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can read also a couple of useful information about your device, about your system, and as you can see here you can reboot to bootloader, you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you can also wipe data factory reset so you can accomplish the hard reset operation, you can choose wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, root integrity check, mount system, view recovery logs. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off, the last option, or the first one, which is reboot system now. So let me choose reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and now you need to wait until the whole process will be completed. Alright, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.